What's up, y'all? It's your girl Dessia. Welcome to my channel, Dessia's Life. Look, I'm gonna bring y'all out here today with me in my garden. I am going to see if we got some potatoes. Since my potatoes have died back. Here is my potatoes. They have died back. Let's see if I can try this out. I'm gonna come around this other way. And I'm in my work clothes. I'm gonna pull these out. I see some potatoes. Yes, hunty, I see some potatoes. We're gonna drop that. I didn't bring me a container. Oh, look at my potatoes. Yes. I don't know, I gotta get a bucket. Some of these I might put back in the ground if they're too little. See? Little. I put them back. Nice. Let's see. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean these out. Pull all these out. Let's see what we have. Woohoo! We got some potatoes going on, y'all. Uh-oh. We're not going to wash these off. Let's see. My water bottles. Let's see. Let's see what we got in here. Get from over here, princess. I have to go get me a container, y'all. I can show y'all what I have. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. And I'm in my work clothes because once I get comfortable, it's a wrap. It really and truly is a wrap. Oh wow. Princess, come from over here. Okay, y'all, I think that might be all of them. I don't feel any more down in here. I think that's it. Got these little ones that have gotten some eyes on them, maybe. Wow. Okay. Well, that's that. Got some marbles. All right, y'all, so let's see. You know, some of these, like I said, had some potatoes on it. And I'm gonna throw them back. I mean, not back, but I'm gonna place them back over here and see what happens. Here's one. We're gonna place it back in here. Let's see. We're gonna see what it do, what it do, what it do. This looks like a good one. This doesn't have any bulbs on it. But we're gonna put it back. We're gonna put it back in here. Let me see, I got some more over here. Got this one right here. I'm gonna put that one back. Cover it up. We're gonna see what they're gonna do. They might come back, might not. Here's another one. We'll stick that on back down in there. Cover them up really good. Y'all, there's some ants in here, but it's all good. Okay, nothing on that one. Nothing on these. Okay. Nothing on these. All right, let me get me a bucket. Y'all stay tight. Okay, y'all, I'm back. That little bowl. Just gonna set it there. And here are my potatoes. I'm gonna take these in the house and weigh them and see what I have. I'm so excited. I don't care if they are itty bitty. It's enough for a meal. That it is. We're gonna see. This one, I think I'm gonna stick back in there. So that's the potatoes right there. Let's take them on over here to the table so I can show y'all a little bit better. Okay, y'all, that's my potatoes. They came out that red container over there. Here I have some more potatoes. They haven't started to die back yet, so I don't know what's in that. And now we just got sweet potatoes over there. So what we have is that's sweet potatoes, and that's some white potatoes that still have some little bulbs on it, and I'll put them back. We're gonna see if they're gonna come back. I don't know. Never done that one before, so we're gonna see. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed my video. Till the next time, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Bye.